Namaste, my dear students, my dear friends, and my YouTube channel subscribers. This is Viplava Reddy, Maths faculty for intermediate students. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు మై లైఫ్ మై విలేజ్ మ్యాన్ వర్సెస్ మ్యాథ్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. నా వీడియోస్ మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, స్టిల్ నౌ we completed all LAQs problems from straight lines topic. Now in this class, I am going to explain some very important SAQs problems from straight lines topic. My dear students, please watch each video completely, practice those questions thoroughly, then only you are able to get more knowledge on those questions. My dear students, while watching my videos, please see the description box. In description box, I mentioned the questions what I explained in that video. If you know the solutions of those questions, you may skip the video. If you don't know solutions of the questions, you may watch the video completely. Then only you are able to get more knowledge without time wasting. Okay? Now let's start the today topic, that is straight lines SAQs. Now 10th problem from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, a variable straight line drawn through the point of intersection of the straight lines x by a plus y by b equal to 1 and x by b plus y by a equal to 1 meets the coordinate axes at a and b. Then show that the locus of the midpoint of AB is 2 of a plus b into xy equal to ab of x plus y. In this problem, one line is passing through point of intersection of given two lines. What are the given lines? What are the given lines? Given lines are x by a plus y by b equal to 1 and second given line is x by b plus y by a equal to 1. Now from this first equation, by simplifying the first equation, b into x plus a into y. b into x means bx plus ay by ab equal to 1. From this we get bx plus ay minus ab is equal to 0. This is the equation 1. From the second equation, by simplifying the second equation, we get a into x ax plus b into y by minus ab equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now first of all solve the equation 1 and 2, then only we get the point of intersection. Solve equation 1 and 2 by using CMM method or by using elimination method. Now apply CMM method. X, y, 1. Now take the y coefficient, constant term, x coefficient, y coefficient. Y is the xy method. Starting with y coefficient and ending with y coefficient. What is the y coefficient in the equation 1? Plus a, and next constant term minus ab, next to x coefficient b, again y coefficient plus a. In second equation, coefficient of y is b, constant term is minus ab, and next x coefficient is plus a, again y coefficient is plus b. Now simplify this equation. X by AD minus BC, A into minus AB, that is equal minus A square B minus AD minus BC. This means B into minus AB, minus or minus means plus A into B square equal to Y by same AD minus BC, AD minus BC also AD minus BC concept. Minus AB into A means minus a square b minus ab into b means minus of minus plus a into b square is equal to 1 by b into b square minus a into a square. Now equating the first term and last term and second term and last term, we get the x coordinate and y coordinate. By simplifying above equation, x by take AB common from these two terms, we get minus a plus b, that is equal to b minus a. From the denominator, we also take AB common. From these two terms, take AB common. Here we get minus a, here plus b, nothing but b minus a is equal to 1 by b square minus a square, nothing but b plus a into b minus a. Here b minus a, b minus a, b minus a, all are cancelled. So what are the remaining terms? What are the remaining terms? Now equating the first term and third term, second term and third term, we get x coordinate and y coordinate. X by AB is equal to 1 by a plus b, and y by AB is equal to 1 by a plus b. After cancelling the b minus a, b minus a, b minus a remaining terms, equating the first term and third term, equating the second term and third term. From this, x is equal to a b by a plus b, y equal to a b by a plus b. So let P be the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. Point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. This is the coordinates of point of P. P is nothing but here point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. In this problem, for example, this is the first equation and this one is second equation. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. First equation, second equation. One variable line passing through point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. For example, this is the variable line passing through equation 1 and 2. Point of intersection of equation, that is P. Here P is the point of intersection of 1 and 2. And meets this line meets the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis means x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Y-axis at B. This variable line meets the coordinate axis at x-axis at A and y-axis at B. In that case, you have to find out the locus of the midpoint of AB. Okay. Midpoint of AB. Let midpoint of AB Q x1 y1. Here Q x1 y1 be the midpoint of AB. If Q x1 y1 midpoint of AB, in that case you have to find out the locus of the point Q. Here Q x1 y1 be the midpoint of AB. Then you have to find out the locus of the midpoint of AB. Nothing but you have to find out the locus of Q. Let Q be the Q x1 y1 be the midpoint of AB, midpoint of line segment AB. If Q x1 y1 be the midpoint of AB, therefore Q x1 y1 be the point on the locus. Point on the locus. Why? Because you have to find out the locus of the midpoint of AB. Here Q x1 y1 is the midpoint of AB. Therefore Q is the point on the locus. If Q x1 y1 is the midpoint of AB, therefore coordinates of AB, coordinates of A 2x1 comma 0 and B 0 comma 2y1. How? If A is 2x1 comma 0, B is 0 comma 2y, then only midpoint of AB we get Q x1 y1. Apply formula, midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. By using this formula we get 2x1 plus 0 by 2, nothing but x1. 0 plus 2y1 by 2, nothing but y1. If Q is the midpoint of AB, then coordinates of A are 2x1 comma 0 and coordinates of B are 0 comma 2y1. Because A is a point on the x-axis, coordinate of y is 0. B is the point on y-axis, coordinate of y is x is 0. So A is 2x1 comma 0, B is 0 comma 2y1 if Q is the midpoint of AB. This is the 2x1 comma 0. That means x-intercept is 2x1. X-intercept is 2x1. B is 0 comma 2y1. That means y-intercept is 2y1. Y-intercept is 2y1. If you know the x-intercept to y-intercept, how to find out the equation of line AB? By using intercept form of a straight line. What is the intercept form of a straight line? X by A plus y by B equal to 1. X by A plus y by B equal to 1. Therefore, equation of AB. Equation of AB. What is the equation of AB formula? By using intercept form, that is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Equation of AB. Here A is the x-intercept, that is 2x1. From this equation, from this form, by using this formula, x by x-intercept 2x1 plus y by y-intercept, that is 2y1. Y by 2y1 equal to 1. This is the equation of line segment AB, nothing but our variable y. In the given question, a variable line passing through point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. What is the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2? P of AB by A plus B, comma AB by A plus B. This is the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. Our variable line is passing through point of intersection of equation 1 and 2. Means this point lies on point P lies on line AB. Okay. Since P of AB by A plus B, comma AB by A plus B lies on equation 3. This is the equation 3. This is the equation of AB. Okay, equation of AB. Point of intersection of 1 and 2 lies on equation 3. Replace the in the place of x, replace the x coordinate. In the place of y, replace the y coordinate. From the above equation, in the place of x, replace the x coordinate. That is AB by A plus B all by 2x1 plus AB by A plus B. In the place of y, replace y coordinate. All by 2y1 equal to 1. Now take AB by A plus B common. Take common AB by A plus B. In this here also AB by A plus B, here also AB by A plus B. Take common. We get the remaining values are 2x1 by 2x1 plus 1 by 2y1 equal to 1. Now from the above equation we get AB by A plus B of cross multiplication y1 plus x1 by LCM is here 2x1 y1 is equal to 1. So from the above equation we get AB of x1 plus y1 equal to 2x1 y1 into A plus B. This is the equation in terms of x1 y1. This is the equation in terms of x1 y1. What is x1 y1? x1 y1 is the point on the locus. Therefore locus of Q x1 y1 is AB of x plus y is equal to 2xy into A plus B. Here Q is nothing but midpoint of AB. Here Q is nothing but midpoint of AB. Therefore, locus of the midpoint of line segment AB is AB into x plus y is equal to 2xy of a plus b. This is the so ends proof. Okay. Now 11th question from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, if 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0, then show that the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent straight lines and find the point of concurrency. What is the concurrent straight lines? Concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means 3 or more lines passing through single point. 3 or more lines passing through single point. Okay, 3 or more lines passing through single point. Those lines are called concurrent lines, straight lines. Okay. In this given question, one condition is given: the relation among the ABC. One relation is given among the ABC, that is 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0. If ABC follow the given condition, in that case you have to show that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines. If the equation in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 or lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Here L1, lambda 1, lambda 2 are any real numbers. The equation in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 or lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0. In that case, we can say that the equation represents a family of concurrent straight lines. Now verify the given equation whether it is converted or not into these forms. Okay, any one form, L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0 or lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 is equal to 0, any one form. Okay, now verify the given equation whether it is converted or not into this form. Now from the given condition, from the given relation, find the c value. From this equation, 4c is equal to minus 3a minus 2b. From this equation, c is equal to minus 3a by 4 minus 2b by 4, nothing but b by 2. Okay, we get the c value in terms of ab, or find the b in terms of remaining two terms. Find a remaining two terms, replace in this equation. Okay, change any one unknown term in terms of remaining terms. Okay, now replace this equation. Put c equal to minus 3a by 4 minus b by 2 in ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now replace this equation, replace this value in equation. Ax plus by plus c, c value in the place of c, replace the c value. What is the c value? Minus 3a by 4 minus b by 2. In the place of c, replace the c value. C is the in terms of ab. Okay, change any one unknown term in terms of remaining two terms. Now from this equation, from the above equation, from these two terms take a common. We get x minus 3 by 4. X minus 3 by 4 plus, from these remaining two terms take plus b common. We get y minus 1 by 2. Y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Now this is in the form of lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Lambda 1 L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0. Lambda 1, lambda 2 nothing but any real numbers. Here a and b, c are any real numbers, any constants. Okay, lambda 1 from L1 plus lambda 2 L2 equal to 0, or dividing this equation by a, we get x minus 3 by 4 plus dividing each and every term by a on both sides, b by a of y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So this is in the form of L1 plus some constant into L2 equal some real number into L2 equal to 0. Lambda 1 L1 plus lambda L2 equal 0. Therefore, it is in the form of lambda 1 plus L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. L1 plus lambda L2 is equal 0. If the equation in the form of L1 plus lambda L2 is equal 0, that equation represents a family of concurrent straight lines. Therefore, what is the L1 line in the place of L1? In the place of L1, what is the equation? X minus 3 by 4. This is a straight line. That's why take equal to 0. L2 in the place of L2. In the place of L2, y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. This is the first straight line. This is the second straight line. By solving these two straight lines, by solving x minus 3 by 4 equal to 0 is nothing but x is equal to 3 by 4. Y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 is nothing but y is equal to 1 by 2. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Therefore, point of concurrency is 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. This is the point of concurrency. Point of concurrency is nothing but point of intersection of any two straight lines belongs to family of straight lines. Now 12th question from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, a triangle of area 24 square units is formed by a straight line and the coordinate axis in the first quadrant. Then find the equation of the straight line if it is passes through 3, 4. In this problem, we have to find out the equation of a straight line that passes through 3, 4. And given one condition, that is area of triangle is 24 square units. The triangle is formed by straight line and coordinate axis. For example, this is the y-axis and this one is x-axis. The required line cuts the x-axis at A and cuts the y-axis at B. This is the required straight line. Cut the x-axis at A and cuts the y-axis at B. And area of triangle OAB is given, that is 24 square units. This is the triangle OAB. Area of this triangle is 24 square units. Given condition, what is the given condition? Area of triangle OAB is equal to 24 square units. We know that area of triangle OAB. What is the formula? Area of a triangle formula half into base into height. Half into base into height. Nothing but half into. What is the base? This is the base OA. This is the right angle triangle because this is x-axis, y-axis here 90 degrees. This is the right angle triangle. OA is the base. OA into OB is the height of the triangle. Here OA into OB. Here OA is the base of the triangle as well as x-intercept of line AB. X-intercept of line AB. OB is the height of the triangle as well as y-intercept of line AB. Y-intercept of line AB. Let A be the x-intercept. Okay. A be the x-intercept and B be the y-intercept. Let A be the x-intercept, B be the y-intercept. Therefore, area of triangle OAB is equal to how much? Half into base. Base means here x-intercept A, small a, into height means here B. Small b is the height, okay? Half into AB, that is equal to how much? 24 square units. From this, AB is equal to 24 into 2 means 48. From this, B is equal to how much? 48 by small a. This is equation 1. We get the one relation between a and b. If you know the x-intercept and y-intercept, how to find out the equation of a straight line? This is the required line. This line having x-intercept a and y-intercept to b. If you know the intercepts, how to find out the equation of a straight line? By using intercept form of a straight line. Therefore, equation of the required line or line AB. Required line nothing but here AB, line AB. That is x by x intercept, that is a, plus y by y intercept equal to 1. This is the equation of the required line. What is the relation between a and b? Here b is equal to, by using this condition, b is equal to 48 by a. Now in the place of b, replace the 48 by a. We get, that implies x by a plus y by, in the place of b, replace 48 by a. 48 by a is equal to how much? 1. No? From this equation, we get x by a plus a y by 48 equal to 1. This is the equation 2. Equation 2 is a required line, also passes through one point. Already one point is given. The required line is passing through one point, that is 3, 4. So, equation 2 is the required line. The line is passing through 3, 4, already given in the question. So, since equation 2 passes through point 3, 4. Therefore, replace in the place of x, replace 3. In the place of x, replace 3. And in the place of y, replace 4. That is a into 4 by 48 equal to 1. Now simplify this equation. 3 by a plus a by 12 equal to 1. Now from this equation, LCM equivalent means 36 plus a into a square minus 12a is equal to 0. Now from this equation, a square minus 12a plus 36 is nothing but a minus 6 whole square equal to 0. So from this equation, a is equal to 6. Therefore, b is equal to 48 by 6, that is equal to plus 8. By simplifying, we get the equation 36 plus a square minus 12, nothing but a square minus 12a plus 36 is equal to 0, nothing but a minus 6 whole square equal to 0. We get a is equal to 6. Put a is equal to 6 in equation 1. We get b is equal to 48 by a. 48 by 6 equal to 8. Therefore, equation of a required line. Equation of a required line is equal to x by x coefficient plus y by y coefficient is equal to 1. This is the required equation of line. Okay. Now 13th question from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, find the value of k if the angle between the straight lines 4x minus 5 plus 7 equal to 0 and kx minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0 is 45 degrees. In this problem, we have to find out the value of k when the angle between the given lines is 45 degrees. How to find out angle between two straight lines? This is the first straight line, this is the second straight line. Theta be the angle between these two lines. How to find out angle between two straight lines? We know that cos theta is equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square, or tan theta, by using tan theta formula also in terms of slopes, tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. By using these two formulas, we can find the angle between any two straight lines. Okay. By using tan theta formula in terms of slopes, it will be easy. Now apply the tan theta for this problem. Okay. Now what are the given equations? Given equations are 4x minus y plus 7 equal to 0 and kx minus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. This is equation 1 and this is the equation 2. First equation and second equation, angle is given 45 degrees. Okay, first line, this is the second line, angle is given 45 degrees. First of all, find out the slope of equation 1. Slope of equation 1 is m1. Let m1 is the slope of the equation. How to find out slope of a line? Minus, what is the formula? Slope formula, minus x coefficient by y coefficient. That is minus a by b. Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Nothing but minus x coefficient is 4 by b. Y coefficient is minus 1. That is equal to plus 4 is the slope of the first line. Now find the slope of second line. Slope of equation 2 is m2 is equal to same formula, minus a by b minus k by minus 5. That is equal to k by 5 is the slope of the second line. Already given, theta is given, since angle between given lines is 45 degrees, already given. Now apply formula. What is the formula? Tan theta, we know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here theta is the angle between the lines. Okay. Now in the place of theta, replace 45. Tan 45 degrees is equal to modulus of m1 means 4, minus m2 means k by 5, all by 1 plus 4 into k by 5, that is 4 into k by 5. Now simplify this one. Tan 45 value how much? 1 equal to modulus of 5 into 4, 20 minus k by, here 5 into 1, 5 plus 4 into k, 4k. Here denominator 5 get cancelled. Okay, denominators are cancelled. Now remove the modulus, apply plus or minus 1. If you remove the modulus, apply plus or minus. Okay, if you remove the modulus, apply plus or minus to the opposite side. Okay, 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k is equal to, apply plus or minus 1. Remove the modulus, apply plus or minus. Take plus case first. 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k is equal to plus 1, or 20 minus k by plus 1 and 20 minus k by 5 plus 4k is equal to minus 1. First case plus case and minus case. Okay. Now simplify this one. 20 minus k is equal to 5 into 1, 5, 4k into 1 means 4k. From this equation, 20 minus 5 is equal to 4k plus k. Now from this equation 5k is equal to 15. Okay. Now from this equation k is equal to 3. Now simplify the second equation, second part. 20 minus k equal to 5 into minus 1. Okay. Minus 5. 4k into 1 means minus 4k. Now from the above equation, minus k plus 4k is equal to minus 5 minus 20. From this equation, plus 3k is equal to minus 25. From the above equation, k is equal to minus 25 by 3. Therefore, we get two values for k. First one is 3 and the second one is minus 25 by 3. First one is 3 and second one is minus 25 by 3. Okay. Why k is equal to two values here? Maybe line, for example, this is the first line, this is the second line. Second line may be upper side or like this also may be possible. This is the, maybe this is the second line, this is also second line. One, if k is equal to 3, we get the one line. If k is equal to minus 25 by 3, we get another line. The first line is fixed line, okay? There is no unknown term. Okay. Now 14th question from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, an equilateral triangle has its incenter at the origin and one side as x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Then find the vertex opposite to x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. In this problem, we have to find out the one vertex of an equilateral triangle. For example, let A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. This is vertex A and this is vertex B and this one is vertex C. In the problem, one equation is given, that is, let us assume equation of BC is x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. For example, here D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Joint vertex and midpoint of opposite side. This line segment is called median. Okay, this line segment AD is called median. The triangle is equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, we know that one concept: centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter. All are equal. All are coincide. That means median equal to altitude equal to perpendicular bisector equal to angular bisector line. Okay. In equilateral triangle, median, altitude, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector also coincide. Centroid, circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter also coincide. In the given question, origin is the incenter of the triangle. That means in equilateral triangle, centroid equal to incenter. Therefore, your centroid is equal to origin. Your 0, 0 is the centroid. Okay, origin is the centroid of the triangle. So from the diagram, D is the midpoint of BC as well as foot of the perpendicular from origin to side BC. D is the midpoint of BC as well as foot of the perpendicular from origin to side BC. By using foot of the perpendicular formula, we can find out the coordinates of D. After getting coordinates of D, apply section formula. What is the section formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. We know one more concept, that is centroid always divides median in the ratio 2:1 from vertex. Centroid divides median in the 2:1 ratio. Okay. By using these concepts, we can find out the coordinates of A. Let A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle, circumcenter equal to orthocenter equal to centroid equal to incenter. All centers are coincide. Okay, all points are coincide. Therefore, centroid of triangle ABC is origin. Already given in the question. Incenter of the triangle is origin. Okay, so centroid also 0, 0. Both are same in equilateral triangle. Let D be the midpoint of side BC. And D is the midpoint of side BC. From diagram, D is the foot of the perpendicular from origin to straight line. So apply formula from the diagram. D is the foot of the perpendicular from G 0, 0 to side BC. What is the foot of the perpendicular formula? H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now apply formula. Here let D is the h comma k and g is the x1 y1. The line is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, apply formula. H minus x1 is 0 by coefficient of x is 1 equal to k minus y1 is 0 by coefficient of y is 1 equal to minus of a into x1 0 plus b into y1 0. C value is minus 2 by a square plus b square. Okay, now simplify these questions. Simplify this equation. From this equation, equating the first term and third term, h is equal to, we get 1. Why? Because here minus into minus 2 plus 2 by 2 is 1 and k is equal to 1. Therefore, coordinates of D are 1, 1. From the diagram, one more concept we know, that is centroid divides median AD. We know that centroid G divides median AD in the ratio. Which ratio? In the ratio 2:1. Okay, let A be the alpha comma beta. Let A is the alpha comma beta. Okay, now if you get D, already D know 1, 1 is the D, G is the 0, 0, A is the alpha comma beta. Now by using section formula, G 0, 0 is equal, what is the formula? Section formula, m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Here centroid G divides median AD in the ratio 2:1. Here m is to n. This is 2:1 means m is to n. In the place of m replace 2, in the place of n replace 1. This is the first point, this is the second point. Okay, from the vertex, centroid G divides median in the ratio 2:1 from vertex A. Take first way, this is the first point, this one is second point. Okay, now apply formula. 0, 0 is equal to m x2. M is 2 into, this is the second point, means here this is the point here. Okay, 2 into 1 plus n means 1 into x1 means alpha by m plus n. Next m y2 also 1 plus 1 into y1 means beta. Okay, by m plus n. So 0 comma 0 is equal to from this 2 plus alpha by 3, here 2 plus beta by 3. So from this equation, equating the x coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate, 2 plus alpha by 3 is equal to 0 and 2 plus beta by 3 is equal to 0. Now from this above equations we get alpha is equal to 3 into 0 means 0, so minus 2, and beta is equal to minus 2. Therefore coordinates of vertex A is equal to minus 2 comma minus 2. So these are the coordinates of opposite vertex to given side BC. Okay. Now 15th question from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, each side of a square is of length 4 units. The center of the square is 3, 7 and one of its diagonals is parallel to y is equal to x. Then find the coordinates of its vertices. In this problem, we have to find out the vertices of the square. Vertices of the square. For example, this is the square. Let A, B, C, D is the square. This is A and this is B and this is C and this one is D. Here A, B, C, D is the square. Square means what is the length of each side? 4 units. This is also 4 units. This is also 4 units. Then this is the diagonal. First diagonal AC and second diagonal BD. The point of intersection of diagonals. The point of intersection of diagonals is nothing but center of the square. Already given. The center of the square is 3, 7. This is 3, 7. The center of the square is, let O be the center of the square. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle because this is square. Square means each angle is 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees, here also 90, 90, 90. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras rule, for example, this is AB side and this is BC side. Then what is the length of hypotenuse? How much? This is 4 units. This is also 4 units. Therefore, by using Pythagoras rule, 4 square plus 4 square, that is equal to root 32, means 16 into 2, that is 4 root 2. This is equal to 4 root 2. Length of first diagonal, length of second diagonal, both are same. In square, diagonals are same. So length of each diagonal how much? 4 root 2 units. Means this is the center. Center means midpoint of AC. Here also midpoint of BD. Center always midpoint of diagonals. Okay. So this is also 2 root 2 units. Means distance between A and O. This is also 2 root 2 units. This is also 2 root 2 and this one also 2 root 2. Because our center is the midpoint of diagonals. Okay. Next, from the diagram, from the given data, one of its diagonal is parallel to y is equal to x. For example, AC is the first diagonal. For example, this is the x-axis and y-axis. This line, the line y, this is y is equal to x line. Y is equal to x means what is the slope of y is equal to x line? What is the slope of y is equal to x? Y is equal to mx form. It is in the form of y is equal to mx. But the m means coefficient of x, how much here? 1. So slope of the y is equal to x is 1. 1 means tan theta is equal to 1, then theta is equal to 45 degrees. What is the inclination of y is equal to x means 45 degrees. Thus, one of its diagonal means, for example, AC is the first diagonal, BD is the second diagonal. AC is parallel to y is equal to x. That means slope of y is equal to x equal to slope of AC. What is the slope of y is equal to x? 1. Slope of AC also 1. Therefore, inclination of AC also 45 degrees. Means AC is parallel to y is equal to x. Then side AB is parallel to x-axis. This is this AB, side AB is parallel to x-axis. For example, let treat this is also parallel to x-axis. Okay, x dash. For example, this is the x-axis. If AC is parallel to y is equal to x, then AB is parallel to x-axis and AD is parallel to y-axis. AD is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, what is the inclination of AC? 45 degrees. If AC is parallel to y is equal to x, then BD is parallel to y is equal to minus x, because y is equal to x and y is equal to minus x, both are perpendicular lines here. In square, diagonals are perpendicular. So if AC is parallel to y is equal to x, then BD is parallel to y is equal to minus x. Therefore, slope of BD is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. Tan is negative in second quadrant. Therefore, theta is equal to 135. 180 minus 45 degrees, nothing but 135 degrees. What the inclination of this line is 135 degrees. Inclination of this line is 45 degrees. By using parametric points of a straight line, okay? Parametric points on a straight line. Here the vertex A and vertex C. Vertex A and vertex C are 2√2 units away from the center O and having 45 degrees inclination. By using parametric points, what is the parametric points on a straight line? x1 plus or minus r cos theta, comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Here x1, y1 is the given point and r is the distance. 2√2, here also 2√2, and theta is the inclination of this line, AC line. Similarly, by using parametric points concept, here B and D also 2√2 units away from the center O and having inclination 135 degrees. So by using parametric points concept, we can get the coordinates A, B, so vertices A, B, C, D. Now apply parametric concept. Let A, B, C, D be the square. Since AC is parallel to y is equal to x, therefore slope of AC, here AC is the first diagonal, okay, AC is the first diagonal, one of its diagonal is parallel to y is equal to x, right? AC is the first diagonal, is parallel to y is equal to x, therefore slope of AC is equal to slope of y is equal to x, that is nothing but 1, okay, that is nothing but therefore inclination of AC is equal to how much here? 45 degrees. Tan theta is equal to 1. Slope is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta. Means M tan theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 45 degrees. Inclination of AC is 45 degrees. From the diagram, vertices A and C are 2√2 units away from the center 3, 7. Okay. By using parametric concept, what is the parametric points on a straight line? x1 plus or minus r cos theta, comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Each and every point on AC in the form of x1 plus or minus r cos theta, comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Here x1, y1 is the given point, 3, 7. Apply here 3 plus or minus r is the 2√2, distance between a given point and unknown points. Cos 45, inclination is equal to 45 degrees, comma y1 is 7 plus or minus 2√2 sin 45. Now simplify this coordinates. 3 plus or minus 2√2 into 1 by √2 cos 45 value. 7 plus or minus 2√2 into sin 45 value also 1 by √2. Now from the above coordinates, 3 plus or minus √2 cancel 2, comma 7 plus or minus 2. Now apply plus case and minus case. We get two coordinates. 3 plus 2 5, comma 7 plus 2 9, and take minus case here. 3 minus 2 1, comma 7 minus 2 5. This is the first vertex, this is the second vertex. It means end points of the first diagonal. Okay. Now, similarly, apply same concept. Here BD. Here AC is parallel to y is equal to x. From the diagram, BD is parallel to y is equal to minus x. Why? Because AC is parallel to side diagonal AC is parallel to y is equal to x. Therefore, BD is parallel to y is equal to minus x. Because in square diagonals are perpendicular. Therefore, slope of BD is equal to minus 1. From this, inclination of BD is equal to 135 degrees. In the place of theta, replace 135. Apply same formula. x1 plus or minus r cos theta. x1 means same point. 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 into cos 135. Cos 90 plus 45 means minus 1 by root 2. Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. 7 plus 2 root 2 into sin 135. Sin 90 plus 45 means cos 45. Nothing but 1 by root 2. Sin is positive. The sin is positive in second quadrant. Now simplify this above coordinates. 3 plus or minus root 2 cancel. Here minus plus or minus changes to minus or plus. Plus or minus into minus means minus or plus. 2 comma 7 plus or minus 2. Now take plus case and minus case. First here minus first here. 3 minus 2. 1 comma 7 plus 2. 9. And next one. 3 plus 2 means 5 comma 7 minus 2. 5. These are the end points of second diagonal. Therefore, first vertex, second vertex, third vertex and fourth vertex. These are the vertices of the square. Next. Now 16th question from straight lines SAQs. In this question, find the equation of the straight line making non-zero equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passing through the point of intersection of the given two lines. In this problem, we have to find out the equation of a line, that line passing through point of intersection of these two given straight lines. What are the given lines? First line is 2x minus 5y plus 1 equal to 0, and second line is x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the first equation, this is the second given equation. Our required line is passing through point of intersection of these two lines. That means you have to find out the point of intersection of these two given equations by using elimination method or by using CMM method. Now apply CMM method. X, y, 1. Now starting with y coefficient and ending with y coefficient. What is the y coefficient in first equation? Minus 5 constant term, and x coefficient again y coefficient. Here also from second equation, y coefficient constant term, x coefficient again y coefficient. Now simplify this one. X by AD minus BC 20 minus of minus plus 3 equal to y by, here also AD minus BC 1 minus minus 4 into 2 minus of minus plus 8 equal to 1 by AD minus BC minus 6 minus of minus plus 5. Now from this equating the first term and third term, second term and third term. X by 23 equal to 1 by minus 1 and y by 9 equal to 1 by minus 1. From this equation, from these two equations, we get x is equal to minus 23 and y is equal to minus 9. Here minus 23 comma minus 9 are point of intersection of equation. Let A be the point of intersection of equation 1 and Okay. After getting point of intersection of equation 1 and 2, in the given question, one hint is given. The straight line making non-zero equal intercepts. Non-zero means not equal to 0. Equal intercepts. For example, let A and B. Let A and B are the intercepts. Of the required line. Intercepts of the required line. That means this is the x-axis and y-axis. This is the required line. Your x-intercept is small a, y-intercept is small b. If you know the intercepts of the line, if you know the x-intercept, y-intercept of a line, how to find out the equation of the straight line? By using intercept form of the straight line. That is, therefore, equation of the required line. Equation of the required line in the form of, in the intercept form. That is, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of the required line. One condition is given, non-zero equal intercepts. Equal intercept, since here a equal to b already given in the question, non-zero equal intercepts means x-intercept equal to y-intercept. Now replace, in the place of b, replace a. From the above equation we get x by a plus y by a, because a, b both are equal to 1. From this equation, x plus y equal to plus a. This is the equation 3. The third equation, this is the required equation. This required equation is passing through point of intersection of given two equations. What is the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2? Minus 23 comma minus 9. Since required equation 3 is passing through minus 23 comma minus 9. This is the point of intersection of equation 1 and 2 given equations. The required line passing through point of intersection of given two equations. That's why replace the minus 23 in x place, replace the minus 9 in the place of y. Okay. From the above equation, minus 23 minus 9 equal to small a. From this, small a is equal to minus 23 minus 10. How much? Minus 32. Okay, minus 32. Now replace the a value. A is equal to, put a is equal to minus 32 in equation 3. Therefore, equation of the required line. How much? X plus y equal to minus 32. Nothing but x plus y plus 32 equal to 0 is the required straight line. Now last problem from straight lines SAQs. In this problem, a ray of light passing through the point 1, 2 reflects on the x-axis at a point A, and the reflected ray passes through the point 5, 3. Then find the coordinates of A. In this problem, we have to find out the coordinates of A. Here A is the point on the x-axis. For example, this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the ray of light. A ray of light passing through one point, that is 1, 2. This is the ray of light passing through 1, 2 and reflects on the x-axis at point A. And the reflected line passing through one point, that is 5, 3, already given in the problem, passing through 5, 3. In that case, you have to find out the coordinates of A. Here A is the point on the x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. On x-axis, y coordinate is always 0. Let A, small a, 0 is the coordinates of A. Okay. Let capital A, small a, 0 is the point on the x-axis, on the x-axis. Here draw one perpendicular line from A to x-axis. Draw one perpendicular line, okay? Draw one perpendicular line from A to x-axis. The angle between, this is the incident ray. This is incident ray and this one is reflected ray. This is reflected ray. This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. The angle between perpendicular line, this perpendicular line, incident ray, and for example this is the alpha, and the angle between perpendicular line and reflected line both are same, because this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. Here these two angles are same. If these two angles are same, this angle equal to this angle. Means for example this is the theta, this is also theta. If this angle is theta, then this angle also theta, okay? From the diagram, okay? That is the concept of reflected ray and incident ray. That is the property, okay? What is the inclination of reflected ray? This is the x-axis. What is the inclination of reflected ray? Inclination of reflected ray. Inclination of reflected ray is equal to how much? Theta. Therefore, slope of reflected ray. Slope of reflected ray is equal to let m1 is equal to how much? Tan theta. m1 is equal to tan. Therefore, slope of reflected ray is equal to m1, that is equal to tan theta. Here theta is inclination, therefore tan theta is equal to slope of line. Okay. Similarly, what is the inclination of incident ray? What is the inclination of incident ray? This is the theta. This is the angle between x-axis, negative x-axis, and this line is theta. So this is equal to 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Therefore, inclination of incident ray. Incident ray is nothing but a ray of light, first line passing through 1, 2 line. Incident ray is equal to how much? 180 minus theta. Therefore, slope of incident ray is, that is called m2, is equal to tan of inclination, that is 180 minus theta, that is equal to minus tan theta. m2 is equal to minus tan theta. Therefore, m2 is equal to tan theta means m1, that is minus m1. m2 is equal to minus m1. From the diagram, slope of reflected ray equal to minus slope of incident ray, or slope of incident ray equal to minus slope of reflected ray. Okay. By using that concept, we can find out the coordinates of A. For example, this is B point, this is C. Let us assume B is 1, 2, C is 5, 3. From the diagram, slope of AB, nothing but slope of incident ray is equal to minus of slope of AC, that is reflected ray. Slope of AB is equal to minus slope of reflected ray. Nothing but here m1 equal to minus m2, or m2 is equal to minus m1. Okay. Now find out the slope of AB. What is the slope of AB formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Apply formula 2 minus 0 by 1 minus small a. This is the slope of AB. Okay. Equal to minus of slope of AC. y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 0 by x2 minus x1, 5 minus a. By simplifying this, we get a value. Here 2 into 5, 10, 2 into minus a, minus 2a, equal to 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus a into minus 3, plus 3a. From this equation, 2a plus 3a, that is equal to 5a, equal to 10 plus 3, 13. From this equation, a is equal to, we get 13 by 5. Therefore, coordinates of point A is 13 by 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. By using this concept, we can get the coordinates of A. Slope of incident ray is always equal to minus slope of reflected ray. Slope of incident ray is equal to minus slope of reflected ray. Okay? Next. My dear students, this is my today's maths challenge. Please solve these questions and post your answers in my comment box. Okay?